Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to change your earpads for the LCD series. The first step is to remove your earpads. To do this, you must remove the adhesive backing that are on the earpads. Pull away from the ear cup very slowly as to make sure to not rip your earpads, so you may use them in the future if you would like. Repeat this process once more for the other side to strip the headphones bare. Please note, it's very important to remove the old LCD tape from your old earpads. This is to ensure a good seal every single time. Now, open your new Dekoni Audio earpads for the LCD series. Each earpad comes with pre-applied tape. Now, you need to remove the adhesive backing. Do this very slowly as to not rip the adhesive off the earpad. You may notice that these earpads are angled. The short side goes towards the front of the headphone, and the big side goes towards the back of the headphone. What we normally do is we take the stitching seam on our earpad and line it up with the earpad yoke screw. Once you've done this, try to align your earpad correctly with the headphone. Now, slowly attach the earpad to the headphone to make sure that you get a full seal around the edges. If you don't seal correctly around the edges, you might lose some low frequency content, and that might be negative to your sound signature. Do this once more for the other side, and don't forget to align your earpad with the earpad yoke screw. Now, you've applied both earpads to your headphones. Enjoy your new Dekoni Audio earpads for the LCD series.